Yeah, cashew good. Babes, have you ever seen the video where the people them a make the fake cashew with dough and they use the buckle stopper, the lid, to shape out the cashew them?
Oh, yeah, man, me see video, man, but you know, me nah nothing to do with Babylon system. Me pick them a fresh off a tree. And I go teach you now the way of life of how you part your own cashew. You don't know, you know, Empress, so wild like a ball plate, you know. Yeah, man, them can't catch you with them, this man. Because all I want to say is that they don't really care about us. You know that, don't? Yeah, man, so we're there today. I'm from outer space. Yeah, man, them can't catch you with them, this man. So they think I'm going to use and turn them. You're right.
This is amazing. Imagine we eat the fruit from the tree and now we're roasting the actual cashew.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Yeah, man, alright, they said this. So I'm going to show you what it look like when it start roast and also when it finish and also when we are eat it. To be continued. Alright, so see there, I have to take them off fire because you have this oil in it. And if you don't take them off, then go over roast. So there is this oil in Jamaica. When we young, we use the oil to make tattoo. Actually, it was cruelty because we burn with skin. To farm out any farm of words, letter we want. So the oil, see there? So you have to make it cool down a little bit. Right? You put it back on the fire now. Not really burn up, you know, but if you leave it on it, it'll burn. So you see the oil that is in it? Yeah, man. To be continued, you don't know, you know. We are showing the full thing. Back up key. Back up key, but we don't know. Now, we have 5 left in the bales. 5 we have left here. Come over here, sir. Quick and fast, may we do it in Jamaican way, you know.
Oh, I'm excited.
Yeah, man. Oh, yes. Alright. Well, you go flip the camera? You go flip the camera, you want me to turn it on you? Give me when we put it on you.
Flip it, flip it.
You flip it? Alright, taste it.
No, what me turn to England so long for, man?
Boy, I tell you, girl, come
Nice.
back. Stay here. Stay here, don't move. Stay here, yeah, man, son. Alright, let me crack my first one and take a taste. Cause I don't know. Me there with the Empress and nobody drop, you know. Yeah, some people go watch you grow and chat about hygiene, but I don't love no chicken, though. Yeah, me know, man. No watch me hygiene, man. Me give me immune system something to do. Watch the simplicity of life and the meaningfulness of creating your own food, yeah? And do it yourself. I see what me turn a Jamaica favor. Yo, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man, and like up the video. You understand? Follow up the page. Yeah, man, for more authentic inspiration like this, yeah? Boom.